Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Forms. If you're using any PC or any Android phone and you want to use Google Form or you want to create a new form on using Google Forms, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and in your browser just search for Google Forms. Once you have searched, open the first website from Google. That's the Google Forms. I'm going to open this. And here you have to sign in using your Gmail or your Google account. So I've already signed in. So I'm gonna create a new Google form. Just tap on blank form. And here you can customize your form. You can easily create a new form from here. So you can enter description of your form. So let's say I've added here personal info. You can also make bold if you want to. Let's say I'm gonna bold these letters. Once I've done, it might be bold. So you can also change its color or you can change its written style. I have made it italic. So I'm gonna enter a question here. So here I have added some question. It's the single question that's in age. So you can add multiple questions here. Just tap on this plus option here and it will add a new question to your section. So here you can also add any image through your options. You can also add any video here if you want to add. So in this way, you can easily create a new form for you using Google Forms. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.